Welcome to Tenavox's VoxLink platform, matching our broker and vendor partners of commercial real estate to clients that they want to work with. Here is how Tenavox works for you as one of our service partners. As a moving company, you want to join Tenavox. We only partner with moving companies that primarily serve commercial needs, so please indicate if you do here. Let us know which metro you serve in. Is there a particular property type that you focus on? What services do you offer that are included or may be added? How long have you been in business? Is there a minimum space size you want to work with? Is there a maximum limit of space size to your services? We need at least 3 reviews or testimonials. You can provide a link to your website or just email directly to the Tenavox team. Add some comments about yourself. This is the description portion that the tenant members will see when looking at your profile. Let us know your first and last name, company name, email, and the password for your account. You will be asked for your credit card, but it is important to know that your trial will not begin until you submit at least 3 reviews and our team approves you to go live on the site. This may take up to 48 hours. When you're done, you just sit back and wait for the confirmation.